Hello, EntrePods, and welcome to Season 3. This season, we are interviewing and talking about ethical entrepreneurs who are making money and changing our world. Join us as we discover how we can step into power as creators and business owners to reshape business into one that values humanity, our planet, and our shared future. You won't want to miss a single episode.
Within my journey of yoga and everything, I really tuned into the inner part of the energetics. And when I found human design, it really showed me everything that I knew inside, but then I always questioned if I was telling myself the truth. Like I didn't know if this was true for me. So when I found human design, it is a blueprint actually that imprints all of your energy, all of your themes, all of your lessons, all of the consistent energy you have, the variable energy. So it goes into your energetics of who you are at birth. And the power of that is you then tune into what you are not. So what are the things that you've been conditioned? What are the beliefs that you created? What are the experiences that you've had conditioned you? Because if you look at your chart, you say, oh, wait a minute, that is not me. I have variable energy here. So that's not me, So it goes into the energetics of who you are at birth, who you are truly. And then the power of that is really you get to then release those conditioning and those beliefs and step into who you truly are and create the impact that you want, which is exactly what I am doing.
I want you to think about this because I'm going to tell you, 25 years I've been in I've went retail, medical, I've worked with doctors, I've worked with lawyers, I've done entire law firm turnarounds, physician practice turnarounds, I've done tech. It's always this personality trait. When you break through those things, then everything else starts aligning. There's less friction. It's amazing how that works. So one of the things I was going to ask you, because you're so you've got this really great background in exercise science and all that. Do you have a daily routine that you do that sets you up for your day? And if so, what is your routine? I'm very curious.
Yes, actually, my routine has changed over the years as I've grown and evolved. Right now, my daily routine, I've learned that for me, I need to start the day intentionally. So for me, I wake up and I bring my daughter to school and then I get my cup of coffee and then I read. There's a couple books that I read every single morning to get my brain going. Then I do meditation. So I do sound meditation and journal. And that starts my day. And what that gives me, honestly, is it gives me the time and space to slow down so I don't jump into the automatic. So many of us are jumping into the automatic, rushing around. And then when the day's done, we're like, what did I even do today? It's like, you don't remember. I want to remember. There's so much of my life because of all the things that I don't remember. And I want to remember each day. So I start each day with intention, grounding, self-love for myself. And then the day is a beautiful day each day.
So I get wanting to be intentional in my day and wanting to enjoy it and being mindful. I remember talking to a lady and she said, how are you mindful of, I have to do dishes, I do this, I do this. And I was in a group coaching session at that point. So I was there also as a leader, but also in the session. It was a little weird, but it was fun. And they had an energy coach. And she said, the next time you do dishes, can you afford, because you never know people's budget, can you afford something that smells really great? Like a good Palmolive or the apple scent, what's your favorite scent? And it calmed the lady down because she was had so much resistance. She was actually angry, about the whole idea of it. And she said, well, I forget what she said, crisp apple, something like that. Well, go and get that one. You can get it at the dollar store. That's a good one. At least it wasn't like jasmine Thai tea, which is going to cost you $5 or whatever. But anyway, so she goes and she gets it. And then our next session, she goes, you know what? It's really weird, but I did that. And I actually thought about how good the bubbles felt on my hand. What it was nice to see when it was squeaky at the end. And I made the squeaky sound like I did when I was a kid. And then I put my dishes up because like me, I don't have a dishwasher. I'm the dishwasher. I wash all the dishes. And she did the same thing. And she said it completely transformed that experience. She went from just mindlessly hating it and being resentful that she didn't have everything else to actually enjoying that. And it made the rest of her day better. That is such a simple thing.
Yeah. And it's enjoying the little things, right? By being able to have gratitude for the little things, it creates the entire day, each day, like happier, more connection, more trust with other people. It just creates a totally different mindset when you're intentional.